Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, you are also very much welcome. From the title, I'm sure you already know I'll be showing you 4 delicious, healthy juices that I love to drink. So I've recently started juicing every month. So I've cultivated this habit of juicing once a month, but then I'll do it for the whole week. So what I do is I do my juices and then I substitute some of my meals for just juice. So I would eat once a day and then the other 2 meals will be juice, and I do this for the whole week. I know some people do juicing for like a week, 1 month, 2 months, and they eat absolutely nothing but juicing. It's really good for you, but I haven't gotten to that stage that I would do that, and I don't think I want to do that. But it is good for you once in a while to do the juicing because it's really good for your system. Not only are you cleansing your system, it's good for boosting your immune system as well. Is also very good for, it helps with digestion. So if you're experiencing bloating, juicing is really good. It helps with that. It helps with weight loss. It makes your skin glow. It has a lot of benefit actually. So if you're not into juicing, I will advise you do that. It is very important that you make your juice really tasty and with good flavors. So you have to find a way to balance them together. So look for the ones that are really sweet and juicy, and the vegetables or fruits that are not so juicy, that are very bland, and then you try to mix them in a way that it brings a really nice flavor so you can enjoy it. And also I like to put ginger in all my juices because ginger is very medicinal. Ginger is really good for you and your body. I take ginger and lemon. It's something that you always find in my house, so I try to put ginger in all my juices, but it's really optional. You don't have to. This video is very much straightforward, so I'll just allow you watch as I do the juicing, and I hope you find it useful. I hope you enjoy it. Do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up. If you've watched up to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, then this is the time for you to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Enjoy. I forgot to mention that the measurement I have given here is for 2 servings, so I will make about 900 to about 1 liter of juice, and I'll drink it twice. And also don't throw away your chaff. This is where most of the fiber is. So what I do is I keep that in either in the fridge or in the freezer, and whenever I want to make a smoothie, I just take a little bit and I add to it, and that way at least I'm getting all the fiber from my fruit and veg as opposed to throwing it away. So don't throw that away, they are still very much useful.